Hey everyone, it's Kenza and Lolo. Well, Kenza and Lolo. Well, today we're vlogging, but we have some bad news.
But maybe good news.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, get out of my face. Basically, running two channels at the same time is just a lot of stress put on both of us. And it's really hard, and it's just not fun anymore because our videos aren't like good anymore because we have to like rush through them, and it's just not as fun, like I said. And yeah,
There's also family issues going on and issues with us.
Yeah.
Not that we're like fighting, but we have like personal issues that we need to take care of.
Yeah. And we're gonna continue on our main channels, like making videos, so we're not gonna like disappear off the internet or anything. We're just gonna stay on our main channels.
Yeah. Look how creepy that house looks. We're currently walking to 7-Eleven though, so yeah. Kenzie, what's maybe the good news?
That we're gonna continue making videos, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah. So we really hope that you guys stick around to subscribe to our main channel. Oh, look at that squirrel. We really hope that you guys stay tuned to our mains, because we're actually going to try on that channel. And I was talking to Kenzie about this, and I said, what if our life gets a little bit better, like maybe towards like after M-Step of the end of this year, beginning of 9th grade. We're thinking, I told Kenzie I'm hopefully that we can like come back to you guys. So
yeah, so it's not like the videos are gone forever.
We're still going to keep them up.
Yeah, they're still gonna be there for you guys to like watch, and there might be more coming later in the future.
Yeah.
So
don't unsubscribe. Keep being subscribed, and I might pop in a couple of times, like maybe like once a month I might pop in just to check on you guys, see how well you guys are doing. And you never know, Kenzie could too. So
maybe.
Yeah.
You never know.
You never know. So we love you all so much.